Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering what you need: the exact policy notice, account ID, and the ad or asset ID flagged. Once done, capture screenshots of the landing page and any edits you applied so reviewers see the fix. Make sure billing and account contact details are current, otherwise communications get delayed. You're not guessing, you're documenting. This speeds review and shows good faith compliance when you describe what changed and why. Now you complete the appeal form in Google Ads or Policy Manager. You'll state precisely what violated the policy, and more importantly, the corrective actions you took and when. Describe changes in clear, step-by-step terms, and attach those screenshots and timestamps so reviewers verify fixes quickly. Once submitted, note the ticket or case ID and expect an initial response. Make sure to monitor the account email for follow-up requests. Finish by watching for the final decision and responding quickly to any follow-up. If the appeal is approved, confirm ads are re-enabled and test live URLs. If denied, read the reviewer notes and request clarification, then supply extra evidence or technical fixes and resubmit. Don't repeat the same argument. If responses stall, contact Google Ads support chat or your account rep to escalate. One key tip: keep all timestamps and version screenshots. That evidence wins reviews.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.